Hello, this is Ed from Happy Hot Tubs. Today we're going to show you the best way to get those little bits of grit out of the bottom of your hot tub. So to remove grit from your hot tub, you need to use a vacuum of some sort. We sell a couple of types of vacuum at Happy Hot Tubs. We've got the Jet Vac, which uses your hose connection and Venturi effect to remove grit from the hot tub. You've also got the standard hand action vacuum here, which uses a pull suction to remove grit into the filter basket. So today in this video we're going to show you how to use both of these items to get grit out of the bottom of the spa. So we've built both the vacuums. Here we've got the Happy Pool and Spa Vac that uses just a simple pull suction, and behind me here we've got the Jet Vac, which uses the Venturi effect from your hose to put the debris into the bag here. So as you'll see, that comes with a nice long handle. So first we're going to try the Pool and Spa Vac. So first thing to do is submerge the head into the water and pump the suction a couple of times to make sure it's full and to get rid of any air in the system. So what you want to do is delicately approach the grit and just pull up to clear the suction. So once you've finished the vacuum, pull out the vac and make sure it's drained off nice, and then you can simply twist and unclip the filter and then pull off the filter from the end and empty that out with the grit. So that's the Pool and Spa Vac. Very simple to set up, very simple to use. So now we're going to have a look at the Jet Vac. So now we're going to have a look at the Jet Vac. The Jet Vac is powered through the hose suction. So the hose is connected and now we need to switch that on to get it going. It's best to turn on the hose with the Jet Vac in the water. The reason for that is otherwise it will squirt out everywhere and soak you. So once it's on and submerged, you simply have to run the Jet Vac across the grit and it'll pick up everything into the bag on the end. One thing to remember when you remove the Jet Vac is to flip it upside down in order for the grit to stay in the bag and to stop it spraying everywhere. So at this point we can turn the hose off and then empty the bag. The hose is now off, so you simply undo the drawstring bag and you can empty any debris that we've picked up in there. And you can just pop the hose off like that. Thanks for watching our video on how to remove those little bits of grit out of the bottom of your hot tub. Head over to happyhottubs.co.uk where you can buy the Spa Vac and the Jet Vac with free next day delivery.
happyhottubs.co.uk